Hello guys, and then maybe try to first create your own brand song and music for your channel. Either say Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, step by step. I be using this app called Voicemod app, a AI app. I be create your own brand, personal brand song. Yeah, my channel. Na yɛn avoid the copyright songs na yɛn use ada bia na yɛnya copyright strike ɛwɔ Facebook, YouTube ne TikTok no. Nti yɛn kɔ the other side of the screen na menkyerɛw. Ɛha yɛ Tech Pro GH, wobɛtumi subscribe ama yɛ na wa like na wa share. So when you be afa aka, wobɛtumi type sɛ Tech Pro GH yɛ da wa sell the content we ama yɛ. Yɛn kɔ the other side of the screen. Yɛn kɔ share yɛn create your content. That's it.
Song no, yɛn kɔ ChatGPT. Go ChatGPT. This ChatGPT. This is what me create for my brand. This is so my bought this search bottom so. So as me rating is not now. So welcome to Tech Pro GH. Yeah, dream like wow. So chorus now the amount. So you choose this chorus. If I see video in your short, it means selecting. I select only this one. So I say Tech Pro GH, where the hustles are live. We teach you how to grow, how to stave from likes to cash, make your social media shine, build your empire on one post at a time. So copy. Ya copy ya na ya go o copy ya na waba Google Chrome. Oba Google Chrome and waba bo voice. Waba type voice mode any waba search. Even any app I use to search change be with me use to voice mode no we choose this first one waba so. About so I be back like this. This is how I interface in it here. So about this 3 dots so this 3 dots. About so one will select creator tools. About creator tools I will select text to song. I will click it text to song. Now every be interface with CC. So a be no will select generate songs free. Wabo so. No one have try na load. So everybody say and there are songs they will have that obitimi choose before and sign up for the next step. So if me choose first one and if you are there. So first one say net here. Wait me choose the second one. So third one so here. So and ni obe choose no. We choose a me go choose first one. You choose first one till no waba born next no e do be call singer. So I have also wait me choose any of them, either male or female. So you choose male. Na emo next. So hana obe always now create here no obe paste from ChatGPT no or paste wo ha. So or say you convert it called lighting. You get about lighting to convert it into once we change it you know do the eye. To my family here. To wait me do the eye. this name no so how do you think I what about generate song what about so okay I started for free. This is the first time I use app on it is on paper the start. So background name no wait me use and a song name no wait me use tech pro gh background song be use din and your composers will be use me din na artist name I use the channel name. So generate to a generate to banya botre I read this out 200%. So yeah, generate here. This is the video nyoma generate on Tech Pro GH background song by Tech Pro GH into two things, voice and song, and a only voice. So yeah, I'm playing here. Play. Yeah, also. So after so what download no no where we that's it. Bye bye. Oba na you two things other voice and audio and I audio only. We are no about here but download wait me download do as a voice or video or download do and one no that's so I shall be do her. Bye bye.